Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can see someone's likes on Facebook. The steps are really simple and easy, so let's get started. First of all, you need to open up Facebook app. And one thing you can do is go to notifications. From here, tap on any of these notifications of someone who has shared something. And after that, tap on the three dots on the top right corner of the post. Now, you'll get to see an option to add them to your favorites. So tap on Add Your Friend to Favorites. And as you can see, this person has been added to our favorites. This way, whenever he or she posts something, you will instantly get a notification about it. Also, their posts will be a priority on your feed. So if their posts are public, you will surely get them on your news feed. So that is one way to know their likes. Another thing you can do is go to someone's profile. From here, if you scroll through their profile, you'll get to see all the posts they have shared on their feed. This way you can get a proper understanding of the things they like. One thing you should keep in mind that you cannot see exactly what someone is liking, because that would be a privacy concern for everyone on Facebook. So the only thing you can do is go through their profile or check out their posts. So that way you can get an understanding of the things that they like. So that is how you can see someone's likes on Facebook.